chances you people will not go back and study. Who is the father of green revolution?
Yes, actually,
Find out. I won't tell if it's right or not because I want all the others to go and find out. Okay? Find out and tell me who's the father of green revolution. Okay? Who did this green revolution for the first time? Okay? Now, next. Okay, what can you do with genetic engineering in agriculture? Now tell me. This is just a discussion topic. You're just going to apply what you studied. Now, agriculture, every genes modify, how can you get benefit out of that? More production. First thing is you can produce a lot of plants. Now I'm having one gene and the gene which I'm going to produce lots of DNA and I can produce lots of plants with it. So first thing one is more production. Second thing what do you think can happen? Disease resistance. So plant also a disease. If I'm having a paddy field or rice field which you can. Rice field is getting a disease, a kind of disease. So the entire crop is going to get damaged if it's going to get a disease. Now what I can do is I can modify the genes in such a way I can make it disease resistant. So I can add a gene which is going to resist that disease. Okay? So then next thing is I can resist a disease. Third thing what you can do. What else is it used for in agriculture? Pesticide resistant. Pesticide and insecticide resistant plants. See, you know whenever you have a farm or a field, there are going to be a lot of insects. Insects are going to eat the plants, correct? Insects are going to eat the plants. Now, what I can do, and that is going to damage your field. So what I can do is I can modify the genes in such a way that even if the insects are going to come and eat the plants, it is not going to harm the plants. Okay? What are pesticide resistance? And the insects kill what do farmers do? They add chemicals to kill the insects. So the chemical insect amount to kill that is also going to damage the plant. Right? You're going to add a chemical on the plant. It is going to kill the insect, but also it is going to kill the plant. So I can make modification in genes in such a way that it not only kills the insect, but it will also make the plant resistant for the chemicals that I'm going to add. That is your pesticide and your insecticide. What else do you think can I use this gene modification in plants? What else do you think I can do? So first disease resistant plants produce for now. Then we can produce plants which are resistant to your chemicals, which is your pesticides and insecticides. Then what else? I told more production can be done. What else do you think we can do with genetic engineering in agriculture? New varieties of crops can be grown. You know, rice se variety you have basmati rice, you have smaller grains and bigger grains. So genetically you can modify to produce different kinds of grains and substances. Other than that, what you can do? You can increase the nutrient value. You can increase the, so if one bowl of rice is giving me 100 calories, if I'm genetically modifying the genes, if I'm going to produce, it probably might give me more nutrient value. That I can do. Other than that, what can I do? Okay. Now, which is the most common bacterium that is used for agriculture, where we use the bacteria to cause all these gene changes? Agrobacterium. Agrobacterium is one of the very important bacteria that we use in the field of agricultural genetic engineering. Okay? Now, basically, tell me this. Agrobacterium or the DNA it has a property of causing tumor. So, what do you mean by this? What is a tumor? First come to this. Then only you know what is tumor and using tumor. What is a tumor? What?
T+.
No. What is a tumor? I'm not asking the bacteria as such.